point number two, lack of standardization in your method of scheduling. I see this every day, all day. You know, you and I are in businesses on a weekly basis, sometimes traveling. And I see, tell me a little bit about what you've seen in relation to the different methods of scheduling across different companies.
So obviously there's a lot of Excel usage, right? It has its place. Maybe not in 2024, but it has its place, right? The whiteboards with the magnets. Oh, that I see all the time. And I used it too. But all it takes is for one person to come in and just shift your magnet to the left and your whole day is messed up, right? Like that's something that I see all the time, all the time. Job folders. I like job folders just because I'm a paper girl, you know that. I like to print everything. So job folders are a way of tracking. But then, some guy leaves the job folder in the truck and we don't have it for 3 weeks. Therefore, we've missed out on billing and we don't even know if the job's completed. And then my favorite is sticky notes. I love scheduling on sticky notes. I will tell you a quick little story because I know we don't have a lot of time. But I called a company. I wanted a quote. Never got back to me with a quote. Ended up going to their office and this guy had sticky notes everywhere. I told him who I was, what I was there for. He's like, oh, I have you on a sticky note here somewhere. It's been 4 years. I'm still waiting for a phone call back from that guy. 4 years.
I'm sure he still has that sticky note though.
Yeah, I'm sure it's somewhere.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And I think the key to it is like, we say standardizing here, right? But standardizing the way that because so I've gone into businesses and then you've got some crews that are on that whiteboard and they've got to pull together on that whiteboard that you can really just see when you're in the office. And then I've got other crews in the same business or the same company that are doing it a different way. And I think as you grow, as you go from 3 million to 5 million to 10 million, it requires some different processes. And one of the biggest things I see, or one of the biggest hurdles that I see owners talk about and discuss, is standardization. And I think the key tie back here is when labor is such a big part of your business and you're not standardized on how you schedule it, it can certainly impact the overscheduling side of things.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we focus a lot on standardizing estimation, right? We want estimation to be standard across the business, but we tend to forget that we need to standardize everything if we want, the output to be successful, right?
Yeah.